Hello students, today we will see the next lesson's revision, that is the integers. First of all, integers inside we will see the natural numbers. So which are the natural numbers? The numbers, counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, these are called as a natural numbers. And natural numbers are there, they are innumerable, means there is a no end. Okay, next it is the whole number. Which are the whole numbers? If we add 0 in natural number, then we are getting the set of whole numbers. The set of natural numbers together with 0 make the set of whole numbers, and so the numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These all numbers are called as a whole numbers. Next it is the negative numbers. The numbers, next it is the negative numbers. Numbers which are less than 0 are called as a negative numbers. As I told you, this is a number line, and on the number line there is a center, origin is there, and left side of the number line there are negative numbers, and right side of the number line there are positive numbers. Okay, so the negative numbers are writing with the negative sign -1, -2, -3, -4. They are also, there is a no end for the, they are innumerable, and there is a no end for the negative numbers. Okay, next it is the integers. What are integers? All positive numbers, 0 and all negative numbers together form a group of numbers, and those are called as a integers. Okay, which numbers I told you? Positive, negative and 0. All these numbers are called as a integers, and all these numbers are representing on a number line. Here it is a number line, and here positive numbers towards the right side and negative numbers towards the left side of the number line. The point representing 0 is called the origin, that I told you, and right side positive and left side negative numbers. So here first question is the, we have to classify these numbers into positive and the negative. So it is very easy, you can easily find here positive 10 given, so here it will come positive 10, -45, so -45 means it is negative 27. Here sign is not given, but then also this number is a, what we have to, when there is a no sign, these numbers are positive numbers. So 27. Next negative 25 will come in the negative. So in that way we have to write all the numbers, classify these numbers into positive and negative. So here -38, then next it is +22, then next it is the +14, so it will come in the positive number. -47, then +24, then it is -2, it will come into the negative, then +3, and at last -7. In that way you have to classify these numbers into positive and the negative numbers. Next it is the question is the, these questions we seen in our textbook. So here given below are the temperatures, write the proper using proper sign. So here I told you that below, if below is written, then you have to give the negative sign, and above is written, then we have to give the positive sign. So here the temperature of some places is given, that is Shimla, Leh, Delhi and the Nagpur. And temperatures here, Shimla's temperature is the 0 degrees Celsius, 7 degrees Celsius below 0 degree. So below this came here, that's why we have to write here -7 degree Celsius. Leh's temperature is the 12 degrees Celsius below 0 degree. So here it will come -12 degree Celsius. Temperature of Delhi is the 22 degree above 0, so that we have to positive. You can give the sign. If you are not giving sign, then also okay. Okay, so here it is, the temperature is the positive. If you give positive 22 degrees Celsius, it's okay. Otherwise, if you are not giving any sign, then also it is calculated inside the positive only. The temperature of Nagpur is 31 degrees Celsius, and we have to write it in the positive 31 degree Celsius. In that way we have to complete this table. The next point is the write the following examples using proper signs. So what is the question? A submarine is at a depth of 525 meter below the sea level. So which word came here? Below. So here what we have to use? The negative sign we have to use. For below we have to use the negative sign. So how to write here? The submarine, a submarine is at a depth of negative 525 meter negative 525 meters the sea level. In that way we have to write this using the example by using the proper sign. After this we will see the next question. So here it is the question. The height of highest peak of mountain is 7,800 meter. So for this, how to write this? The height of, here write in words, the height of highest peak of mountain highest peak of mountain is plus 7800 meter. Okay, in that way you have to complete this question. Next question is the, note down this, the kite is flying at a distance of 100 meter from the ground. So here we have to write a kite is flying, a kite is flying at a distance of plus 100 meter from the ground. In that way we have to put the proper sign and we have to write the question again. Okay, now the tunnel's question is the tunnel is at a depth of 2 meter under the ground. So here you have to write depth, instead of this you write the tunnel is at negative 22 meter under the ground. So in that way you have to write these answers. Okay, so the next question is the oral verse question is there. The tunnel is at a depth, instead of this if you are writing negative, at a negative 2 meter under the ground. In that way we have to write this question. Now next it is the addition. So how to add the integers? Here activity is given. First of all, what they gave us here? Number given, 3 plus 4 we have to do. So on this number line, where is 3? Yes, 3 is here. And inside it what we have to add? 4 we have to add. So from 3 we have to move forwards 4 steps. So this is 1, 2, 3 and this one is the 4th step. And which number is here? 7. So this is the 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 is its answer. Okay, now the next it is the add minus 2 plus 3. Minus 2 plus 3. So here it is the number line. Where is minus 2? Minus 2 is here. And inside it what we have to add? Plus 3. So we have to move towards the right side because plus 3 is there. We have to move towards the which side? Right side. 3 steps, that is 1, 2 and this is 3rd step and the answer is 1. Okay, so its answer is 1. So in this way we have to do this addition if one number is negative and another is positive. Now the next question is addition of 7 plus minus 4. So how to do this addition? So 7 plus minus 4. So here it is which number? Negative number. As negative number is there, we have to move towards the left side of the number. So here it is 7 and here we have to add negative number inside. So the arrow wheel or counting we have to do opposite direction that of the positive. So here it is 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. So which number is here? That is 3. So 7 plus minus 4 is equals to 3 is its answer. Okay, if the both numbers are negative, then how to do the addition of these both numbers? So first of all, here it is minus 1 and inside it what we have to add? Negative 3. So negative 3 we have to add. So just we have to, negative number is there, we have to count towards the left side. So here it is 1, 2 and this is 3 and the answer is minus 4 is its answer. So in that way we have to solve the additions of the numbers on the number line. If both numbers are positive, we have to count towards the right side of a number line. If one number is, first number is negative and another is positive, we have to count it towards the right side. If first number is positive and the second number is negative, then means positive number inside, if we have to add the negative number, we have to count towards the left side of the number line. And same thing with the both numbers are negative, here also first numbers onward, the next negative number we have to count towards the left side of a number line. So here one note given. So what is that note? While adding integers having same sign, add the numbers ignoring the sign and give the common sign to the sum. Okay, we have to give the sign to the answer. So first of all, here we are getting my 4 is the answer and then answers will get the negative sign, and generally here sign which we are giving to the answer, the positive the number which is bigger number sign we are giving to it always. While adding integers having different sign, subtract the smaller number from the bigger number, ignore the sign and give the sign of bigger number to the difference. So that is the notes given or the information they gave you at the time of solving these questions you have to use. Now we will see the next. So here it is the addition we have to do. Now we have to see it on a number line how to do the addition. Here both the numbers are positive. So positive 7 and positive 6. Both numbers are positive. We have to do the addition of this both. So 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. And the answer will get which sign? That is the bigger number sign. And in this, which is the bigger number? So which is the bigger number? 7 is the bigger number. And the 7th sign is positive. Okay. So here you write positive sign, and if you are not write the positive sign, then also your answer is correct. The next question is the 8 plus minus 4. So here without looking towards the sign, what we have to do? First of all, 8 and there plus into minus. From 8 we have to subtract minus 4. So here bigger number minus smaller number. So here different signs are different. 8 is positive and 4 is negative. So bigger number minus smaller number. So which is the bigger here? 8, and 8 minus 4, its answer is 4. And answer will get the bigger number sign. And which is the bigger number here? 8. And 8 is positive. So its answer is positive 4. Okay. Now the next question is the minus 5 and plus 6. Here also in this question inside, the bigger, both the numbers have the different sign. If signs are different, we have to do the subtraction. So 6 minus 5 is equals to 1, and the answer will get the which sign? Bigger number sign. So 6 has a which sign? Plus. So the answer is plus 1 or 1. Then next it is the question number 4th is it is 7 plus minus 8. 7 plus minus 8. So signs are different. 7 is positive and 8 is negative. If signs are different, we have to do the subtraction. I told you before only, signs are different, we have to do subtraction. Subtraction we have to do for it, and if signs are same, we have to do the addition. So this only rule you have to follow for this different sign subtraction. So signs are different, 7 is positive and 8 is negative. So bigger number minus smaller number is equal to 1, and bigger number is 8, and 8 sign is negative, so answer will get the negative 1 sign. Next question number 5, minus 5 plus 0. As you know that if we are adding 0 to the any number, the answer is the same number. So here answer is minus 5.
7, 7, 7, 7.
So here in the next example, the both numbers are negative. If the both numbers are negative means sign is same sign what I told you, addition. So here 6 plus 1 is equal to 7, and sign which will be there, the answer will get the bigger number sign, and bigger number is negative, so its answer is negative 7. Understood? In that way we have to solve these examples. Note down this all of you. If you have any doubt, then ask me afterwards. Okay, then the next question, that box is there, that we have already solved in the textbook. So here minus 2, we have to do the addition. See here, complete the given table, that is the question. So how to complete this? Minus 2 plus 8. So here it is minus 2, this is the plus sign, and 8. So here also same, the signs are different, 8 is positive and 2 is negative. Different sign, we have to do the subtraction. So 8 minus 2 is equals to 6, and the bigger number sign and weaker number is 8, and 8 sign is positive, so the answer is positive 6. Okay, now next question is the 6 plus this plus sign, and this is 8. So 6 plus 8 is equal to 6 to the 6 plus 8 is equal to 14, and both the numbers are positive, so bigger number sign is a plus only, so answer will be plus. Next it is the 0 plus 8. 0 plus any number is equal to the same number. Okay, next question, it is the minus 4 plus 8. Now here the signs are different. What we have to do? Subtraction. So 8 minus 4 is equals to 4, and answer will get which sign? Bigger number. So bigger number is 8, so it's, and you give answer positive 4, right? Otherwise only 4 written, then also okay. That is the first box that we have completed. Now we will see the second box. So first of all we write here minus 2, this is plus sign, plus 4. So its answer is, signs are different, do the subtraction. 4 minus 2 is equals to 2, answer will get the bigger number sign. Bigger number is plus 4, then give plus sign, otherwise write 2 as it is. Next it is the 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4, this is 6, this is plus, and that is 4 we have to write. Okay, 6 plus 4, all of you know that its answer is 10, answer will get the positive sign. Next question is the 0 plus this 4. 0 plus 4 is equals to 4. 0 plus any number is equals to, its answer is same number. At this last it is the minus 4 and plus 4. Signs are different, we have to do the subtraction. So 4 minus 4 is equals to 0, and the 0 doesn't have any sign. If you are writing positive 0, negative 0, then here this both answers are wrong, because 0 doesn't have any sign. Okay, so in that way we have to complete this. Now we will see the next two boxes. Now here we will do the third box complete. So here minus 2 plus minus 3. So minus 2 into bracket plus minus 3. So here signs are same, we have to do the addition of both the numbers. So 5 and sign bigger numbers, that is negative 3. Bigger is 3 and 3 sign is negative. So the answer is minus 5. The next question is 6 plus into bracket minus 3. Here also 2 is positive and 3 is negative. So signs are different, we have to do the subtraction and answer will get the bigger number sign. Bigger number is 6, so its sign is 3, so answer is plus 3. Next it is 0 plus into bracket minus 3. 0 plus any number is equals to the same number. Next it is minus 4 plus into bracket minus 3. So here both numbers are negative, so answer is 7. Addition we have to do for this and answer will get the bigger number sign. Bigger number is 4 and that's why its sign is negative, will get the answer. The next question is the next box. We have to write here minus 2 plus minus 5. Minus 2 plus minus 5. Both numbers are negative. So the answer, addition and answer will get the which sign? The negative sign. So its answer is minus 7. Next question is the 6 plus into bracket minus 5. So 6 plus 5 is equal to, both signs are different. We have to do the subtraction of this. So the answer is 1 and the answer will get the positive sign because 6 is positive and 6 is the bigger number from this. 0 plus minus 5. 0 plus any number is equal to the same, that is the minus 5. And at last minus 4 plus into bracket minus 5. So here plus and minus is equal to, signs are same, so do the addition. So 9 is the answer and answer will get which sign? Bigger number. Bigger number is 5, so the answer is minus 9. In that way you have to complete this box. And today we will stop here only. All of you do the revision and complete this lecture, and next part of the lesson we will see in our next lecture. Okay, thank you and have a good day.